Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can create such kind of arc layer on map and these kind of arc layer can help businesses like for comparing their center and the clients. So you can see with 2D mode here we can't tell anything like how our center is performing, uh, but using 3D view you can easily compare both the this is our center hub 1 and this is our center hub 2, so we can compare it directly by visualizing it in 3D. Okay, so let's start with coding. So I will open my Visual Studio Code and I already prepared my HTML document. So I will explain it again. But in previous video I already told you how you can load your map using Mapbox CL. So I will not going to repeat that part, but I will explain you all these steps. Okay, so here we are importing our Mapbox GL CSS and JS library, and we are also importing this Deckgl library, and I am using Axios for uh, loading my JSON file. So I already prepared this JSON file. It has source and destination, longitude and latitude, and I will use this JSON for this project. Okay, so uh, here I am configuring my box map. So here I provided my API key and this container and this style and the center, everything, and I will do everything after when map has been loaded. So I will use this function. Okay, so for reading my JSON file I will use this Axios. So I am using Axios.get method for reading this arc.json file, and after this I will go to the tech.gl website for arc layer reference. So here you can see it has amazing documentation available here. You can just copy this much of code and you can paste it inside your HTML document. You just need this much line of code for creating a arc layer. Okay, so I will make cut this thing and I will paste it here as a type, because with uh, integrating our tech.gl with Mapbox you need to define type of your layer inside Mapbox layer. So I will create a new Mapbox layer here. So with this I think we are ready. Now we need our data. So I am getting this data from as a Axios response, so I will use that data to our result dot data. So with this we are ready. Now for source position, if you see in my JSON I already created source and destination tag. So I will use that thing. So I want to use source t dot source as a source position and t dot destination as a target position. Okay, and apart from this we need to color our source position. So I will use 200 and 140 and 0 for source, and I will use 50, 140 and 100 for my destination color. So with this we are ready with arc layer. Now we have to add this layer inside our map box GL map. So I will just add this layer inside map box using map dot add layer and pass this layer as argument. Okay, with this we are done. Let me check it again once. Okay, I will reduce this width by 7. Okay, so let's save this page and start my server. Okay, let me check what happened. Reference error, my box is not defined. Okay, so I misspelled there. I think here instead of map box we have to use map box layer, and now save it again and go to our browser. So now you can see we are getting arc layer and it's looking amazing on map. So people can use it for comparing uh, two centers, like if you can see the customer related to this center is looking less compared to this one. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video is informative for you, please do like and subscribe. In next video I will come up with some new Deckgl layer, how you can use them for your geospatial need. Thank you guys.